Danny B. I'm going to apply some nail strips. What? I know. I'm always doing this, but it's because I love it. So I'm going to apply, this is BYO Bubbly. I believe it's a retired shade, so you cannot get it. Each pack comes with a alcohol prep pad, a cute little nail file. Look at that. Ooh, cute. And the nail strips. And of course, instructions. And it's 100% polish, no dry time. You do not need a light. So I already have nail strengthener on. Yes, the Color Street nail strengthener. I have this, and I have 2 coats on. I put on yesterday. Love that stuff. So I am just going to open this bad boy up. It'd help if I had my scissors out. Oh no, I don't need it. So it has 2 sheets in there. Plenty for my little stubby nails. And I broke one bad, so whatever. It is what it is. So I have my alcohol. I'm just going to clean off my nails. Make sure there's no oils. La la la. Okay, and I don't need these 2, so I'm going to throw them aside. So I'm going to take this clear tab, comes right off, dry to the touch, sticky on the other side. So I'm going to take it, apply it to my nail, and I press down and then smooth to the sides is what I like to do. Oh, as I wrinkle the whole thing, I was going to use the other one for the other half for the other nail. So let's see if I can do that. Figured a nice light color would be good while my nails are super short. I like this color. Has some shimmer to it. So I'm going to do this. Stick it on the paper so I have something to grab onto. Peel the other end if I can. I'm just having issues. Okay. De-stick it from my finger. And stick it on. Smooth. And then kind of perforate right underneath the nail edge. Ta-da! And then if there's any on the skin, I just kind of scrape it off. You see that? Because that will cause peelage. We don't want that. So we'll do that one here. Clear tab. Figured since I destroyed that nail, we're letting it grow. Use a light color. There we go. And since that one has no edge really, well, the edge is so far down, I'm gonna just do that. There we go. I'll fix the rest later. Put it on, smooth. Beautiful. So, well, I guess I have a nail edge on that. I'm going to do that, and then I will get the rest off with the nail file. So, here we go. And I'm going to put this on the index finger. Oh, I like this color a lot. La la la. Fast and easy. But make sure it's just placed properly, otherwise it'll probably drive you nuts all week. Because I usually change them about once a week. I'm a hairstylist and I'm rough on my nails, but I like I can get 2 weeks out of them. On average, it's 7 to 10 days is what the package says, and that's pretty accurate. Packages range from what, 13 to 15. And if you have short nails, you can get 2 manis or mani and pedi out of 1 pack. I'll put the nails back into the package and reseal it with a flat iron. That works most of the time, but of course they're not as good as fresh. And if you do it wrong, they will dry out. So I've had that happen too. Let's see. And I usually, well, I'm going to put it on sideways. Why? Because I can, but I want to stretch it over the top. There we go. Is it a little crooked? Yes, it's fine. Ta-da! Get that goopy part. Not really goopy, it just looks like it, doesn't it? Gonna wrap it a little bit. There we go. And this one is the biggest thumbnail size available, and it fits just right on my little thumb. And there we go. My thumbs are just long enough where I can't use 1 strip for 2. Okay, this is where my cuticle pusher comes in handy. Just kind of perforate around the edges and underneath the nail edge. That way you can wrap the tip a little bit. And that's it. Oh, I forgot about that one, didn't I? I said I was going to use the nail file. And I think I will. Okay. So the nail file that comes in, I just kind of press right off of the nail edge and press and let it, and scrape. Yeah, you can see how short that is, but that's okay. The rest look cute. And that works good. I'm just using the edge to just kind of scrape. And then I'm making sure nothing is on my cuticle and everything's laying flat. I love this plastic cuticle stick. You can get a bunch of them on Amazon for pretty cheap. And there we go. And when it's done, I like to put a top coat on, so I'll put a plumping top coat. I may put a sparkly top coat. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that like button, like the video, make a comment, say hello, and check out the description box on my shopping link and my VIP page on Facebook. I will see you all next time. Toodaloo.